With Instagram no good, only HTML and CSS. First, create HTML file, then link it to a CSS file. In the HTML file, you create a div with a class of container. You create a div with a class of container. Then you go to a CSS file to add the styles for the container. Margin. Margin. Color size, box size, box. Now the size for the container, background 0918, width 100%, height 100 VH, display left, file content center, line enter. Now let's check this out. And now guys, this is what we have the background. Back to our code. The HTML file. Then we add another div, the class of Insta. Which is Instagram, which is CSS file. Insta. With 70 pixels, height 270 pixels, color radius 4 pixels, background. And for the background, I'm gonna add. You can see it in the description. You can easily access it right there. Display flex as for content and align items enter. Now let's check it out. As you can see on the screen, this is what we have currently. Now we need to add something else in this logo. After our HTML file, add another div with Insta inner, with the class of Insta inner. Then to our CSS file, width 200 pixels, height 200 pixels, border 18 pixels, solid FFF. Guys, let's check this out right now. And this is what we currently have, but we need to add border radius 4 pixels. Let's check this out right again. Oh my guys, this is what you have. This is what you have. Now we need to add another div in that white space. Back to our HTML file, add another div with the class of insta, inner 2 with 100 pixels, height 100 pixels, border radius 50%. Then you can just copy this to this place. Now let's take a look at it. Right now guys, this is what we currently have, but this circle needs to be in the center. Then copy this, then add it to this place. Sorry, that was a mistake. You copy this, and add it here. Let's see. And see now guys that that circle is in the center. Now it remains one last step to finish this, the tutorial. Back to our back to our CSS file. Insta inner after content with the 2px, right, 2px, added 2px, background, border radius. Okay guys, let's check this out right now. And this is what we currently have, but we need to adjust this little circle right here to a corner up. Here we need to add position relative, then here position absolute, top, top, up 15 pixels, right 15 pixels. Alright guys, let's check this out right now. Yeah guys, this is what we have, and this is not an image. This is what we just coded. This is not an image. Alright guys, if you like this video, like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my channel. That's it for today guys. Bye.